Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how dragon fruit juice is made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
We need more baskets over here. Coming right up. The quality on this shipment is excellent.
We have a fluctuation here. Noted, adjusting the flow rate.
Brixen. Our process balances the vibrant flavor output for sweetness, refines the texture and integrates essential vitamins.
Every bottle is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how dragon fruit juice is made, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.